Unlock the vault of innovation with us today. Join our journey as we uncover the top 5 unbelievable police gadgets that redefine law enforcement. From futuristic body cameras to silent sentinels in the sky, prepare to be amazed by the cutting-edge technology shaping the future of policing. Number 1. Body cameras. Capture every moment, unveil every truth. Body cameras, the silent sentinels of justice, have revolutionized modern policing. From the bustling streets to remote alleys, these compact devices stand as vigilant witnesses, recording the unfiltered reality of law enforcement interactions. With a single click, they unveil the raw emotions, the split-second decisions, and the intricate dynamics shaping every encounter. Beyond mere surveillance, they embody transparency, fostering trust between communities and officers. In the era of skepticism, they offer a lens through which accountability is not just promised but delivered. Every frame holds the potential to rewrite narratives and redefine justice. Number 2. Taser. Stun silence into compliance. The taser, a lightning bolt in the hands of law enforcement, epitomizes the delicate balance between control and compassion. With a crackling discharge, it commands attention, its presence often deterring escalation. Yet, beneath its formidable facade lies a promise of restraint, a non-lethal alternative in the face of perilous situations. In a world marred by volatility, it offers a measured response, incapacitating without permanent harm. Its electric embrace bridges the gap between safety and necessity, providing officers with a tool to subdue threats while minimizing risk. A weapon not of destruction, but of diffusing tension and preserving life. Number 3. Drones. Guardian angels take flight. Drones, the silent guardians patrolling the skies, redefine the scope of law enforcement surveillance. With wings of carbon fiber and eyes of precision, they soar above, offering an aerial perspective on safety and security. From bustling city streets to remote wilderness, their watchful gaze pierces through the veil of darkness, mapping out paths to safety and justice. Equipped with advanced sensors and cameras, they navigate the unseen realms, aiding search and rescue missions and providing crucial support during emergencies. In the digital age, these unmanned sentinels are more than just machines. They are the embodiment of vigilance, safeguarding communities from above. Number 4. GPS trackers. Silent shadows in the hunt for truth. GPS trackers, the clandestine agents of law enforcement, navigate the labyrinth of uncertainty, tracing every movement with precision. Like invisible threads woven into the fabric of investigation, they unravel the mysteries of clandestine activities and elusive suspects. Discreet and omnipresent, these tiny devices cling to vehicles and belongings, casting light on the darkest corners of criminal enterprises. With each ping, they chart the course of justice, leading officers closer to their quarry. In a world where shadows thrive, GPS trackers stand as beacons of truth, illuminating the path towards accountability and closure. Number 5. Smart firearms. Unlocking safety with a touch. Smart firearms, the symbiosis of technology and responsibility, herald a new era in law enforcement weaponry. Infused with biometric or RFID systems, they become extensions of the officer's identity, rendering them inert to unauthorized hands. Beyond mere tools, they embody a pact of trust between wielder and weapon, ensuring that every discharge is deliberate and justified. In a landscape riddled with tragedies, smart firearms stand as sentinels of prevention, guarding against accidental discharges and unauthorized use. With each trigger pull, they affirm a commitment to safety, bridging the chasm between firepower and accountability. Thanks for tuning in to discover the extraordinary world of law enforcement technology. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the latest innovations. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring the frontiers of possibility.